Hi guys, this is a quick open box and detailed review for HP OmniBook X, 14-inch OLED LED, Intel Ultra 7 AI-enabled processor, 16 RAM and 1 TB hard drive. There are several tips in this video. Make sure you stay on the last, which is very useful. Let's start from the open box. You can see here's a product made in Vietnam, not in China this time, and here's a detailed spec. Let's open it up to see what's included in the package. The packaging is very secure and also plastic free. Let's pull everything out. This is covered by paper. Let's remove the power adapter. And also this is the HP OmniBook X. Look like how beautiful. This is a 100 watts power adapter with the detachable USB-C port. The USB-C to USB-C cables, very reliable. The power adapter about a 2-inch by 1-inch. And the laptop is a 12-inch long and about a 9-inch wide. Let's check the weight. The power adapter about 1/3 pounds and 5.3 ounce. Computer is about 47 ounce and almost 3 pounds, 2.9 pounds. So very light, good for travel. I would really like this sandy finishing, very beautiful and elegant. I like this navy blue. On the left side, you have a USB-A port, HDMI port, USB-C port with power and also the audio jack. And then on the right side, USB-C with a power port and USB-A port. And the thickness is very thin. Here's a USB-A quarter. You can compare the size. It's very thin. I really like the finishing on front. And here's the speakers. Let's open it up to see the open angle. It's about a 120 degrees, the maximum open angle. Let's get the power on. And the power, you can power from the left side USB-C or from right side USB-C. It's up to you. And what I'm gonna show you, this is the touch screen. It's very elegant. It's a 3K OLED LED screen, very nice feeling, and the keyboard is very mechanical, well designed. You can hear the sound, very nice, very soft. And turn the lights off, you can see the background lit from the keyboard, which is very useful when you're traveling or working at night. To monitor the power consumption, I'm using this Fancy USB-C tester. It can give the voltage, amp, and the power. The voltage is almost 20 watts, 3 amp current, and the total watts when you first time use about 60 watts. It's actually pretty high the first time because you need also charging the battery. Now let's get the region, select the language. The all process is for the setup the first time. Set up the Wi-Fi as well. And then this actually take quite a long time. I just speed up. And this is to select the privacy policy, make sure you accept it. And then you're gonna name your computer and wait for a few minutes. And this 3 steps take extra long. Take me roughly 40 minutes to 1 hour. It's actually hang on the step 1, but eventually it's download all. So be patient for these steps. And then you can also set up the login account. What I'm using the Microsoft account, just using your email. You can use the other way, face login. And here's the pin. This pin is your login digits to turn on the computer. And you can make the selection. Make sure you select this computer. For my case, it's as a new computer setup. And everything's fast, but actually very slow. So just be patient. Make sure the choices, for me, is entertaining usage. And then you can also use your phone, connect to your PC. And then you can go a couple of options. I actually declined those 365 and also the OneDrive. I also declined it. I also declined the video. Now we're on the system. You can see as a beautiful system, touch screen. This is the tip I want to share you. So before you install any software, go to the Windows Update and wait along. Make sure get all those Windows updates before you even install any new software. You can see this actually also has a BIOS update and it has HP device firmware update. It's run fast, but it's taking me another hour. And this you can do one more time after you do the whole Windows update, and you can check another one. Even though it's set updated, but you also want to check it again until you get this green dot. Now the new computer is fully set up. So here's my conclusion. Overall, this is a very good laptop. HP OmniBook X 14-inch OLED is extremely powerful. I really like the keyboard with the background LED. And also the touchscreen is also a bonus. This is great for the high school students, business usage or traveling. Overall, I really give a 5-star for this laptop. Well designed, very reliable. I like it. 5 stars. Thank you.